Isn't that a good omen? Great big pileated woodpecker. Just about to leave for standby. Meeting up with the crew. Look at this big bastard. He is awesome. That's my favorite woodpecker of all, of course. Woody with a woodpecker. How you doing, buddy? Yeah, I'm talking about you. There he goes.
I gotta see this.
Here's our brand new firefighters. Get used to it, son, because someday you're gonna have to wear a helmet just like that. There you go, look at me, firefighters.
Yay.
Awesome.
Yeah, oh, the one division there sucked.
Or
Lucky
that
we
whole-
only had to do it one day, man.
Our last hot spot we found, no fucking put his hand down there like could smell something here, fucking way deep down.
But then they found a snake over there.
Oh fuck, a rattlesnake.
Oh, are you with Josh there?
We were in that division. We didn't even know it
we
was
just
there.
patrolled that fucking unit too there, yeah, that fucking section, and yeah.
No one ever died from a rattlesnake bite in BC though, boys.
Not yet.
There's your town. What's that island over there called? You kids go there lots, don't you?
Not lost.
You go there for school sometimes?
Yeah. Then we go.
A little bit of danger tree assessing going on.
Out of the way. You don't have to worry about all this shit in the way.
A little solid.
The new Cheech and Chong. Hey, man. Fuck, I hate it when people are tagging me. Fuck, I'm gonna make something do this.
Those are money clouds. Lightning going on from Williams Lake all the way north to Prince George right now. More cells popping up in the west. And it's pretty hot right now, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess
My phone rings, you kids have to go back to your moms like instantly. Severe storm warning in effect for Williams Lake. We got this cool inflow coming up and around, and there's like a downdraft almost. That scud hanging doesn't seem to be rotating, but that's definitely where it would want to. You can see the dry lines on that side. All the moisture's over here. There's that cell in behind. Damaging wind area. And that's that new cell by Meldrum Creek that's crossing over Fraser River. That's kicking out lightning right now. Fuck, it almost wants to rotate that, eh? It's trying. There's the cool down the back. Aggressive. Look at that, eh? I'd call that a wall cloud, man. It's looking like it. Now, do we have any rotation? Funnel cloud behavior, downtown Williams Lake. I'm the only guy who notices. Yeah, that is got an edge coming around for sure. And now the storm is throwing hail out.
Yup. Oh my.
Coming down hard over there, hey, look at that.
Mm-hmm. It's like, look at that. It's like a little miniature waterfall.
Yeah, it's coming down hard.
It's like a river on the road.
Hail stopped, but now it's just pouring. Just gonna keep bringing more stuff, and man, firefighting is a hard life. It's true. It's miserable out there. Love mangoes.
Oh no. That was quite the fail.
You should have tried like that, but leave it connected.
You actually do that? Look at this.
Yeah. It's the only way I can do it.
They'll give you a fork.
No, I don't want a fork. I'm like, this works good.
No, I just only want to be half embarrassed.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh!
Nice one.
I'm a better passer.
Come on, Walt, you got this. Sweet. It's a good thing we're better firefighters than we are basketball players. We're not too good at layups, but we're good at hose lays.
You look like that meme.
Yeah. One-handed. Cell phone around. What? The white shirt, it attracts kids.
I guess so, eh?
Wear dark clothes, they can't see so well.
Need my camouflage. Oh, wait, she's gonna be bad.
Just all for you.
Drive safe.
Oh, there's Jolie.
Yeah, you too. You get here, they tell us, stand by. You stand by, they tell you to go home. So how come you get to stay, Odessa?
It's my DTA.
Yeah, well,
Danger
20 of us are
Tree, that's it.
DTAs.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yours?
Oh, yeah.
Fuck, man.
That's the other thing.
Yeah, man. I know them trees, man. I don't know, man.
No.
I don't know how the logistics work.
I hope you get some hours.
Yeah, me too. Some real work, not just standby. That one guy.
And it's just a reset. That's the thing, right? It's like,
really. Well, he's telling you, man. A couple of days off and we go back at it. Just make sure to hound him when it's been 2 days. Fucking be like, hey, we going back out?
I don't have to. He always hounds me.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
Normally how he is with me too, but then too, he's also like got a lot of things he's doing all the time. Like, it's easy to forget.
We'll get work.
Oh yeah. No, all the
It's a
red coats
reset.
going home, man.
Yeah,
It's
it's
us now.
reset means we can get 14 days again. So
Yep.
I don't always look at it badly, right?
Yeah.
We got time this month, 14 days again.
This is for you guys. I know. That clearly wasn't directed at you. I don't know what the hell they're pointing you guys.
You guys gotta go back to Kamloops. Fire's out. Yeah. Bull and I knew you needed some family time, so we thought we'd just go nail it for you.
Bullshit now.